So let's talk about how we should be using infinite banking to prepare. So let me just give you an example of the fact that interest rates were 3%, 4%, 0% for so long. And so many people said, well, why do I need to have a life insurance policy? Why do I need to do infinite banking when I can go to the bank and I can get a lower rate? Well, number one, because you control the banking system of your life. And there comes a point in time in our life when we don't want to ask the bank for permission. Now, if you are a business owner, you totally understand that, right? You've gone to the bank and said, hey, I need a loan. And they said, oh my gosh, you don't have any income. Where is your payroll? I don't know what to do with you because you have a business. And so it makes it very difficult for business owners to get loans. Now, maybe that wasn't true in the last 10 years. Maybe in the last 10 years, you've been able to get loans and it hasn't been a very big deal. So that's when people come in and say, well, I don't need this, or I can make more money in real estate. I can make more money doing Airbnbs and short-term rentals than I need to be using the life insurance piece for. And let me tell you, they coincide. Remember, this is the and asset. But here's what I've seen as of late. People coming in and saying, oh, I wish I would have started this because now that interest rates are 6, 7, 8%, my business loans are going up. If you have an operating loan or a line of credit with the bank for your business, that line of credit in some cases is 7, 8, I've even seen 9%. Now people are saying, well, I wish I would have had the life insurance policy. What is your loan rate in the policy? And now it matters. And our loan rate now is anywhere between 4% to 5.28%. But guess what? You can't access it because you waited to get the money there. It's an issue of I didn't have enough pain to start in the last 10 years. And now I have the pain. So now I want to start, but the pain is so hard that I can't get started. So we should have started in the past. We should not have to have pain in order to get started. Human nature says that's how it goes. That's how I operate in some cases, right? I'm not going to stop eating something unless it causes me pain. It's so dumb. Like, just don't eat it. But that's not the case. Or I'm not going to stop doing that exercise until it causes me some pain. I'm not going to stretch before I run until it causes me some pain, whatever that might be. In the financial sector, it is the exact same thing. If I'm not broke and I don't have high interest rates, it doesn't matter. It's not enough pain. So we did not get started. Now you guys are sitting there and saying the exact same thing. Well, I can't get started now because I don't have any extra money to get started with. We have to stop spending. What are you waiting for? The perfect time? There is not a perfect time to do anything. But because you waited, we now don't have the system built for you to have your own bank and be borrowing your own money. That is huge, huge. Because guess what? My system is there and I've been building it for 10 years and I didn't have any pain. But I've been building it, knowing that the economy goes up and down all the time. We will never stay in an up. Whoever thinks that that is possible is living in a fairy tale land, because we can see the markets crash every 10 years at the most, okay? It'll crash sooner than that in most cases, but the longest it's ever gone without a crash is 9 years. And this has happened, I believe, 3 times now. We've had 9 years, year 10 a crash. 9 years, year 10 a crash. 9 years, year 10 a crash. And this was the last one in 2022. So to think that we are going to be on this high forever and we should never prepare for a low is absolutely crazy.